Me. I just decided to do some pictures. Basically, that's the property for £10 per one night, per one day, like 24 hours. That's including washing machine where I stay here. Basically, I'm washing my clothes now. It's kitchen here. They're providing towels. That's the living room. So it's only one room, double bed. They're providing all sheets, everything, so that's fine. You don't need to bring your own sleeping bag. They can arrange one bed extra, so that's I put here because one my mate, he came here, he slept in this place here, and they have all sheets here. So basically 3 people can sleep here if you do backpacking. That's the kitchen. It's quite enough for 3 people, I think, to sit down here. It's pretty warm, and now it's November 7th. It was 21 degrees yesterday at 10 p.m. Pretty warm. I don't know why locals, they're going with jackets, everything, but it's pretty warm, you see. So that's Chisinau, Moldova. The poorest country in the whole Europe. Here is that building here is the shop. 24 hours, open 24 hours. They're selling all food, cigarettes cost about like 50p, basic 40-50p, Marlboro maybe 60p, and in UK costs £6, or Ireland 9 euros or 8 euros, something like this. So it's quite cheap to drink here. Vodka is about £2, I think. That's maybe £2. So I will give the number here. So if you want to arrange, because I can speak some Russian, so basically for 5 days I pay 900 leys, which is about for £47, something like this one. So that's by average is £10 per one day. So if you're 3, if you're 2, it's only 5 each. Right. I look through my mobile phone and I will tell you details. It's right. Her name is Victoria. She speaks English very well. Her mobile phone is +37 379 77 44 60. That's +37 379 77 44 60. So that's the phone details here. And basically, if I do backpacking here for a whole week, so I'm going tomorrow, I'm leaving, so I think it would be good to share all details with other backpackers, to see the city. The bars here is cheap. Beer costs only £1.50, something like this. The weather is excellent. At the moment in UK it's raining and it's pretty cold, and here it's warm. Black Sea, I think it's only maybe 50 kilometers from here, maybe 100 kilometers from here. Just try to avoid the karaoke bar. The name is Veranda. They're charging £3 for each beer, and for each song £1.50. And because they saw that we are foreigners, I was with my Italian mate, and one another, it was French lad, and they tried to rip off us. So basically, they even called for police, and later they told me we can go, blah blah blah. But police, I don't know that they are corrupt or not, but just try to ask before you pay. It's best option here. But that actually the prices here is cheap, so you can feel comfortable. I don't know, with something £20 per one day, including rent. So with £10, you should be fine. Because it's only kebabs, burgers. They cost something £1. Very cheap. Very cheap country. So that's it, pretty much everything. Bye.